Hi DenSureFit family, Natalie here. Today I want to share how DenSureFit silicone reline work and why they're a game changer for denture wearers. These reline kits use a soft self-mixing silicone that creates a secure and comfortable fit for your dentures. It's easy to apply and provides long-lasting results. First step, you clean your dentures thoroughly. This step is essential to ensure the silicone adheres properly. Next, you apply the primer that's included in your kit. This helps the silicone bond to the denture surface, giving you a strong and reliable fit. Once the primer is dry, it's time to apply the silicone. The self-mixing applicator makes it simple to apply an even layer to your denture. Once it's applied, then you place your denture in your mouth. Use your thumb to place your denture straight up to your palate. Continue to suck your thumb while the silicone sets. The result is a custom fit denture that stays securely in place all day. No more messy adhesives, no more slipping, and no more discomfort. DenSureFit Silicone Reline Kit provides a soft cushion that makes wearing dentures feel natural and comfortable. They also last for months, saving you time and the hassle. If you're ready to experience the benefits of a perfect fit without the mess of sticky adhesives, visit DenSureFit.com to get your reline kit today. And as always, smile like no one's watching. Bye!